Hello guys, in this video we will unbox and review the Philips One Tool Easy Styling for face and hair. This is the 7-in-1 edition, but you should know that all the different series from this category are the same actual razor, so the product is the same, just some of them have more or less gadgets to put on the actual razor. So let's review the box first. This is the front of it. As I mentioned, this is the 7-in-1 edition. The length settings are from 0.5 millimeter up to 9 millimeter. Self-sharpening blades, which is a good thing, and it has a 60-minute runtime. You can use this for facial hair and hair as well. So here are some informations. Here you can see what the different blades can do. This is stubble style, 1.2 millimeter, short beard, edging and contouring, nose and ear trimming, and hair clipping. So this is the back and some more informations. Let's jump into the box. You have to remove this piece here first. Okay, let me get my knife. Okay, so I got the knife. Let's cut this. Okay, and it should open now. Like this. The design and the color is pretty cool. I like it. The unboxing experience is like not the best, but what can you expect from like this middle budget razor? Okay, here you can see some informations. If you have the time, you should read it. Oh wow, that's nice. You get a nice pouch for the razor where you can keep it, or if you want to travel with it, you can use that, which is nice. Here's some more information and more information. Certificate, original, even signed, very nice. Oh, a lot of stuff here actually. Oh look, 1 extra year of warranty. Okay, thank you. 1 extra year, more info and more info. Okay, so let's jump into the box. What should we start with? Let's start with the gadgets and equipment. So it comes with a charger, which is interesting. I had similar razors, and most of them were just had a cable, and it was you could charge it with a USB, but this one has a proper charger, which is a good thing, I guess. Okay, let's see the other equipments. So this is one of the pieces. Let's not. This one is probably for hair. Another bigger one. This is also for hair or beard. And this one is probably the nose and ear trimmer. Very interesting. Not sure how this works, but we will try it out. Oh, interesting. Probably this way. It works like this. Okay, we'll see. There's a nice little comb to clean it. And let's see the machine and if it has battery right out of the box. Okay, it has a nice ergonomic design. You can hold it. It's not too big, which is always a good thing. I always look for a smaller trimmer. I don't like those big bulky ones. This is a nice size. So you have to charge it here. Here is the turn on button. It's really just one option. You just turn it on and off, and you can remove the blades here like this if you push it from here. it pops out, and as you can see the insides, you can clean it this way. And now I can see that you have to place this one over here if you want to use the nose and ear trimmer. Okay, but let's place this back for a second and try it out if it works, if it has battery. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh wow, it works. Yes, definitely works. Okay, so let's check out how can we install all these combs here. This is the 3mm one. Just have to put it here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can't move it around, so if you put one here, the 3mm one, you can use only that, so which is one of the downsides. I had razors that had one head, and you could move that to set the length, but with this one you only have these few options, which is kind of a sad solution. But yeah, so with this you just turn it on and it works like that. Okay, let's try to install the nose trimmer as well to see if it works. So you take this off and install this one, probably like this. Yes, it works perfectly. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, it works like that. Let's try it here. Yeah, you can hear it, that it works. Nice. So you can trim your nose as well with this. And when you want to take it off, you just push it from here, as you can see, and it pops off very easily. And you can place this back like this. So I won't install all the different clippers here, because I'm sure that all of those work the same way. So I will show you also how to charge it. So this is the charger, if it would focus, and you have to check it out, because here is this line, and you have to place it so it comes to this line. And when you put it here, you just have to plug it and it's going to charge. And I think these were all the equipments. And yeah, you also have this one to clean it this way, or when you take this off, you can also clean the insides with it. And when you are done, you just put it back and you can place them in your nice little Philips branded pouch, and you are pretty much done. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.